I think there's well over 2,500 over close to 300 pages. There's some quite interesting diagrams, so that people should be able to get a lot of information when they're talking to tradespeople, be able to speak the same lingo as the tradies, and hopefully gain a lot more knowledge as they talk with tradies and see what's happening in various renovations, or even some basically do-it-yourself renovations around the house. We have, again, that terminology is very basic, but sometimes misunderstood. So we talk about loan-to-value ratios, we talk about cross-collateralisation and some of the pitfalls with that. There is quite a variety of definitions and sometimes some examples of relating to the particular topic that we discuss.